for apple, B for ball, C for car, D for duck, E for egg, F for fish. For giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion. चलिए अब आगे करते हैं. M for moon, ma 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 ma. N for net, na 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 na. O for owl, o o o o o o. P for parrot, pa 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 pa. Q for queen, Q Q Q Q Q Q. R for rose, ra 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 ra. S for sun, sa 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 sa. T for teddy, ta 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 ta. M for moon, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teddy.